All right, what are automated emails? All right, autoresponders. Are they a pain in the ass? Get response, Weber system, leads leap. All right. I still think they're a pain in the butt, even though it's 2025 and autoresponders have been around a long time. Weber, get response especially. They're still hugely just big pain in the butt, like left cheek, right cheek, and just kind of in the middle area as well. Okay. It is important that if someone like yourself is kind enough to put your contact information in, all right, the Save Club Capture page area, which I'll show you, it's nice to get an email once a day, at least for 30 days. Okay, because if you come to my business, you're coming to Save Club and you're interested, you need to get information. Okay, I highly recommend you hurry and join because right now, what is today? It's May 13th. We still got 17 days left before ready, set, go. We're in pre-launch mode. Okay. So with this unique opportunity, you've got 17 days to kind of be ahead of the curve. Okay. We have thousands of people worldwide signing up every day. Okay. So it's critical that you really look into this and join now. Don't be waiting a few months. Okay. Because then planet Earth will know all about this. And you're just going to be, I hate to say a number, but it's always best when something on fire like this Save Club opportunity is to get in while the getting's good. Okay, so just think about it. Now, two people thought about it, and I didn't even really hear about them. What I did is I was sleeping like a baby, like an angel. I had my Winnie the Pooh pajamas on. I had like a little warm cup of milk last night, and I got my blankie, and I went to bed. Okay. And I tried really hard to dream about Dallas Cowboy cheerleaders and them just hanging with me all day. And we laugh and sing and skip. But that didn't happen. I just slept. And when I got up, I had a couple people get a hold of me and said, "Hey, I'm excited. I joined your team." And I'm like, "Okay, well, who is it?" All right. And I read their emails and it's like, "Thanks for sending me the email." And I'm going, God, what email did I send them? Because I have multiple businesses. And when someone pre-enrolls, I do email them to let them know I am not an autoresponder. That's my biggest fear is that people think I'm an autoresponder. It's just automation, no communication. There's no one being social anymore. It's just all about automation and AI. Okay, I'm not that way. Okay, I've never been that way. And I know artificial intelligence. I've been called artificial and fake my whole life. Ask my girlfriends. Why do you think I'm single and lonely? And I'm almost 60. Oh, I'm glad there's Kleenex for sale inside Save Club at Walmart. Yeah, right. And I just need to cry after I make this video. But I am so happy. And the reason I'm doing this video is just to show you. Can you see my screen there? This is what the back page looks like in Save Club. So when you join, you're going to have this exact thing. Okay. And when I logged in, I like to go to statistics because I need to make sure that if people pre-enroll, that I send them an email. I want them to know I'm a real person. How you doing? Thanks for pre-enrolling. Here's my contact info. And thanks for, checking this opportunity out. Okay. And I write it in a way that is not automated. I send every single person that pre-enrolls a personal email from me. Okay, how do I get that information? I just click My Referrals. See that little button over there on the left? I can see their name and their email. Okay, now when people upgrade, they're also going to get an email not only from Save Club like people do when they pre-enroll, they will get an automated email from Save Club just verifying things and welcoming them as well. Okay, but I think it's way important that they get one personally from me as well. I send it from my Cory at corydraper.com. Okay, I don't even send it from my Gmail account because I have tons of Gmail. But I want them to know that, yes, I made a concerted effort. I opened up corydraper.com like 35 years ago, and I went ahead and got the Cory at corydraper.com email. So when you join me, you're going to get a personal email when you pre-enroll and when you upgrade. Okay, now these two folks, this was really exciting. I was very pleased. I have no pre-enrolls, okay, this morning. It's bright and early right now. But to get 2 people to upgrade, that means that it could be these folks right here. See the 6, 6, and 4? And let's see, I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have like 12. I can't even count this morning. But yeah, for me to get like 12 people to sign up just over the last couple days, very, very satisfying. And I love that there's a built-in autoresponder. Okay, because these 2 folks right here, they just got a hold of me and said, hey, I joined. And then what I did is I sent them another email. Okay, I do have a personal email when you pre-enroll. And then when you upgrade, I give you an email breaking down what I do. Okay, what I suggest you do. Not that I'm the end-all be-all and I'm a guru, but guys, I'm really good at this business now. And if you join my team, I want you to duplicate. I want you to copy what I do. Okay, and if it works, great. And if you have your own way to do stuff, that's awesome. All I can do is just show you my results. Every day I average 1. Here's 2. I had 6 people sign up. 5, 2, 2, 1, 2. All right, every day I usually get some nice folks signing up. Okay, and it's just kind of a routine. I mean, I don't know if I'd call it a system, but I like to do the same thing every day. I get up and I usually pee. And then from there, I crave Pop-Tarts, but they're bad for you, so I won't buy them anymore. So I try to do my oatmeal, I do my coffee, I do my stretches. But I can't wait to just do a video, maybe 2 or 3. It depends how much time I have in the morning just to screw off with you folks and make these videos. Okay? And then I just upload them on, YouTube. And then I'll go ahead and paste these things on my social media platforms. I like Facebook. I'm a big fan. And then, of course, Instagram, TikTok, and X, and Twitter, whatever it's called this week. Okay? But I do the same thing every single day. What I did is I got ilovesaveclub.com. I love it. You just click that, and it goes to a capture page. And I like to show you what it looks like, okay? So why don't we just go, and let me just open up one of my little things here. I usually have it ready to go, but I'm just going to type in ilovesaveclub.com. So when you go to that domain, this is exactly the capture page you're going to have if you join. You can put any name here. I just put Cory Draper's website because it is. I like to brand my name. I have more success using my personal name than like, makemoneyincorporated.com or Cory's marketing system or, I do have multiple companies and businesses, but I have more success if I just use my name. People join people. I even own that domain. If you go to People Join People, I make a ton of money on that website. Okay, and I firmly believe that if you choose me to join my team, I hope it is because either of my personality or you see that I really do put effort into video. And there's no one on my teams in any of my businesses calling me shy, okay, or hard to get a hold of, so to speak. Okay, because if you email me or get a hold of me on the inbox, I love to help you however I can. The best part about this business is I've already made a video pretty much for any question you're going to have from marketing standpoint. Because when you join this company, there's already customer support. Okay. So where's it at? There it is. See where it says contact us. You don't have to be a member to contact them. All right. But support@saveclub.com. And now this is for like technical stuff. If the website's down, is there a misspelling? Is there something weird going on? Are you having a hard time, processing your credit card or cryptocurrency? Okay. This is like the meat and potatoes. I've had real good service from a guy named Jeremy. So Jeremy, if you ever see this video, he's a good dude. I don't know where he lives, but he helps me a lot with Save Club. I like to ask questions with them because when I know what the answers are, I can help my downline. I like to make myself, accessible to where people go, okay, I joined Cory, I joined his team. If I do ask him a question, he doesn't mind. And guys, I am busy. I love working. And you know what? If you trust me, I'll try to find an answer for you. Okay. I'll do the best I can, but it makes me feel good if you think that I can help you. And I sure will. Even if you're not in my team, I have people that sign up underneath other people and they get a hold of me, and that's okay. All right. Because if you help, if I can help you, maybe you'll help someone else. And the more we help each other, the more members we get with Save Club. All right. I think the opportunity, it might even get cheaper. It'll get more popular. I want Save Club to be call it a household name, like let's say Groupon. Okay. Amazon. All right, you've heard of all these great places where you can join like Amazon Prime. Okay, there's membership benefits. Why else do you think I want you to join? I want you to save money. This is not some cash grab. This is not some fly-by-night bull crap that in 3 months, join another opportunity. Save Club, it's just an amazing opportunity for 20 bucks a month. You're going to have worldwide access to worldwide deals. All right. There's a lot of focus on American companies now because that's where we started. But I watch Charles Moy about 2 to 3 times a week on live Zooms. And I record them. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can see them all. And maybe I'll put a nice little link to all the live Zooms that we do. But he's like, just give me time, guys. Every day, every week, every month, I'm bringing in Fortune 500 companies, Fortune 100 companies, Fortune 50. These are the biggest billionaire, if not trillionaire, net worth companies. All right, we're doing business with. But we're doing smaller business too with local businesses. Like my friend owns a tanning salon called Secret Beach. She's already got her tanning salon inside the Save Club for locals here in Utah. I love hearing that. I love small business. There's always going to be a Walmart or a Costco or a Delta Airlines or maybe Lyft, all right, getting a ride to the airport. These are very successful companies, but I am a massive fan of small business, okay? All right, anyway, this is just a little bit of the back office. And you guys, when you get logged in and sign in, just go to all these little tabs right here, okay? And, make sure to go to My Earnings. It's very important. If you do join, do you see where it says select your payment option? It's critical you click that because you need to configure your bank or cryptocurrency. All right. Very popular because we're a worldwide business. Crypto is the easiest. It's the easiest way to pay. All right. So you can do that with Credit Wallet. I think we have iPayout, eWallet, iWallet, whatever. You guys will see when you click select your payment. Okay. This is always going to be everybody's question. What's the pay plan? Okay. You can go here. You don't need me to explain right now. Just take your time and look at it. We have 5 ways we get paid. Okay. Do you see where it says saveclub.com/pay plan? Go ahead and click that link. And I want you to just go through all 5 opportunities here. It's nice because if you join me today, thank you, but I make $20 to $32. All right. So it's like you're buying me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The matching bonuses is just amazing. See this, the generational matching bonuses. Guys, if I can get a little something, something by helping you make something, something, that's where you can really make some big something. Okay, so number 1 is awesome. You're buying me breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And number 3, so study number 1 and 3 out of the 5. And soon we have a nice, beautiful YouTube video that's going to be produced. So when you go to saveclub.com, that /pay plan, or if you log in, just remember on the bottom of your cell phone or on the bottom of your screen, just remember right here it says pay plan. Okay, just click that, but focus on number 1 and 3. Okay, and then you're going to see all these other 5 bonuses and stuff. These are already figured out for you. So when you start getting paid, just relax. Yeah, all right, you'll learn the pay plan. Most people, it's confusing. It's a pain in the ass. They just want a link and they can look at it online. And then when we have our YouTube video, it's 1,000 times easier just to sit back and go, okay, that's how we get paid. And then you can move on. The most important thing is just get 1 sign up every day. Get 2 signups a day. Become an affiliate for $60. Pay that $19.97. Okay? You got a handful of $20 bills, invest them in yourself. But you need to get going now, guys. If you're watching me, let's see, today is May 13th. You need to join now because this is brand new. This is pre-launch. We're going to have millions of people sign up over the next year or 2. And this is like a worldwide Groupon. This has never been done before. It's all online. You can print out a coupon and go to your favorite place if it's local, or you can just show your cell phone. You guys have seen how most things work. You hold up your screen or you go ahead and scan something. All right. This company is just as easy as anything else online in 2025 or in person at a business. Okay. So if you need a Lyft ride to the airport, save on a flight, save on hotel, save on vacation travel, or just do what I do. Go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot. Okay, if you need a sandwich or some fast food, I understand. I sneak at least once or twice a week. But anyway, you can spend all day looking at all the savings. We have tens of thousands of businesses already. We'll have well over 1 to 2 million businesses worldwide. Just give it time. But this is This message is for affiliates. I'm looking for people that want to earn money. You're going to save money no matter what, because you're going to use the club, the membership club. But I want you to earn money too. Okay? You need to join now. Okay? Today is May 13th. We got 17 days, and then it's June 1st official kickoff. So let's just start here. ilovesaveclub.com. There's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. If I can help you, just let me know. And let's do this together, okay? We're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, guys, thank you. And I'm going to contact the 2 people that upgraded. And I'm going to send you a nice little email. And I'm going to just describe in simple terms what I do every day. Okay? Somehow it works. That's all I can say. And if something doesn't work, I change it. Okay? And I rub my hands like this because it makes me, I don't know, happy. And then I go like this. Ah, nice and warm. If no one loves you, just love yourself. That's what I do. And now I'm going to make some coffee so I can go pee the rest of the afternoon after I drink a pot. All right, guys. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me if you need something. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Peace and love. We'll talk to you soon.